As part of the Summer Update 2021, we're releasing a brand new app for you. Resco Houston enables companies to access, manage, and share the company's collective knowledge in a unique way. Now workers don't have to spend many minutes searching for instructions just to start their current task. With Houston, they have the necessary information always at hand. Work instructions, guides, manuals, and even AR remote support are all available in one app. So you can arm your technicians, engineers, and other field professionals with the right information exactly when they need it. The Summer Update also brings plenty of enhancements focusing on field service scenarios for Resco inspections. One of these additions enables you to streamline workflows related to asset maintenance. You can easily set up a recurring maintenance plan for individual assets. As a result, you will get automatically notified about upcoming service inspections in advance and don't have to schedule every maintenance task individually. A well-designed interface can save users plenty of time and stress in the field. That's why it's now possible to add another interactive component to mobile questionnaires. Buttons allow technicians to initiate custom actions much easier and faster than the hamburger menu options. With just one tap, inspectors can complete a report, ask for remote assistance, or save their job progress. Switch to buttons in questionnaires and save time in the field. Enjoy the new capabilities of Resco Solutions with the latest update. And don't forget, there is much more to unpack in the 2021 Summer Update.